What started as a small event with just 150 people in 2000, the year 2000, has grown into a world-renowned, highly regarded fundraising event that hosts up to 1,500 runners from 30 different countries across the continent. We have, over the years, achieved so many aspects. Just to name a few, we have raised $9 million for the last 24 years.
Safaricom has been a sponsor since day one, something we're super, super proud of. So, and then it was called the Safaricom Lewa Marathon, yeah. But it's something we're super proud of. And to celebrate 25 years, Safaricom will be more than doubling its commitment this year. So last year we donated 10 million. This year we're going to give 25 million shillings. Because we're so passionate about the work that is done at Lewa, and it's something that we truly believe in and want to continue to support.